Okay, so good afternoon, Professor Shi, Professor Iris, Professor JC, and everyone here. My name is Elizabeth, and today I am excited to present my capstone project titled Assessing the Impact of AR Filters on Social Media Marketing for the Computer Hardware Industry. So this study explores how augmented reality filters in social media can revolutionize marketing strategy within the computer hardware sector. Oh, okay. So today's presentation will cover the purpose and scope of my research to the expected outcomes and limitations. So let's start with the purpose and scope of my research. My main objective is to critically assess how AR filters on social media platforms influence marketing strategies in computer hardware industries. This involves analyzing their impact on customer experience, brand awareness, and consumer loyalty. The scope of my study encompasses a comprehensive overview of current AR filter usage in marketing, examining consumer behavior in response to these filters, and offering insights into best practices and future trends. So augmented reality has become increasingly prevalent in social media, offering unique interactive experience for users. And currently, there are even more social media companies invest in AR effects. And ad revenue in AR is projected to grow from $98 million in 2019 to $13 billion in 2023. And AR filters are used on average for 75 seconds by each user, which is 4 times longer than a mobile video. And Meta, the world's largest social media company with 2.96 billion monthly active users, has shown a keen interest in AR technology. The platform has integrated AR filters into its advertising system, presenting business with a fresh approach to engaging their target audience. And this development holds a great promise in further driving the utilization of AR in social media marketing. The introduction of AR ads in October 2022 suggests that filters can be a potent tool for promoting businesses. And to set the context, AR filters in social media began with Snapchat in 2015, followed by Instagram and Facebook, and today there are over 500 million daily AR filter users on Instagram alone. And the trend of AR has significantly grown, marking a new era for brand engagement on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. So in the computer hardware industry, we are witnessing a projected compound annual growth rate of 9.1% over the next 5 years. However, there is a noticeable gap: the limited use of AR filters for marketing purposes in this booming sector. While much research has been conducted on AR filters and social media marketing, there is a lack of studies explicitly investigating their use in the computer hardware industry, which is still dominated by male consumer. And there is also need for more empirical research examining the actual impact on AR filters on consumer experience, brand awareness, and brand loyalty in this industry. So my research aims to delve into this gap and explore the potential of AR for social media marketing in this context. The theoretical foundation of my study rests on several models and theories in the aspect of technology adoption and digital marketing, which includes: the first one is the uses and gratifications theory, which explains why people use certain media types like entertainment and information to meet their needs. And the second one is the unified theory of acceptance and use of technology, which says that people are more likely to use a technology like AR filters if they expect it to work well, find it easy to use, see others using it, and have everything they need to use it. And the third one is the technology acceptance model, which is all about how easy and valuable people find the technology. And the fourth one is the consumer-based brand acuity. It is all about people experience with AR filters could change their feelings about a brand. And attention, interest, desire, action. And then the decision-making process model, which talks about how people make decisions, suggests that AR filters could help people realize they need a new piece of technology, find out more about it, and decide which product to buy. And the last one is the social influence theory, which tells that people often change what they do or think to fit with others. And this could explain why AR filters sometimes become very popular on social media. People see others using a filter and decide to try it out too. And these frameworks help explain the potential impacts of AR filters in social media marketing. So in this capstone project, first I plan to do a survey or interview with the marketing professionals from different brands. I aim to get around 3 to 5 different brands and use the interview result to decide which existing AR campaign would be suitable for the case study. And the second one, I will make a detailed consumer behavior case study from the existing AR social media campaigns from the chosen brand. And then the analysis will focus on assessing the impact of a particular type of AR social media marketing in consumer behavior and consumer experience. The data collected from the surveys will include both qualitative and quantitative. And I also plan to analyze the survey results by conducting regression analysis to establish relationship between the variables, as well as doing the thematic analysis to analyze the interview data and to understand the reasons behind the success or failure of an AR campaigns and the potential barriers to and blurs of their implementation. And supporting data from social media comments and responses outside the survey will also be collected to see the customer's perspective toward the brand. So from this study, I expect to deliver insights into the emerging marketing technologies, particularly the use of AR filters. The results will include a comparative analysis of customer behavior on the success of AR filter campaign from different industry, best practices and recommendation, and potential areas for market innovation. And in my research, the key limitation will be the dependence on the availability and the willingness of the marketing professionals to participate in the survey. And this will be mitigated by trying to reach them out directly or conducting an interview instead, and collecting secondary observation data from the social media communities to gain additional insights. And there is also the risk of response bias, which I plan to manage by ensuring anonymity and confidentiality in the survey or interview process. Thank you.